Okay, customers reported this unit's not running the evaporator fans. And then I think, sorry, you just see the green light is on, so the fan should be running. Let's go around and see what's going on. Right, in the meat room, full of pigs and cows that have seen better days. Got the white coat and my little hairnet on. Anyway, problem is it doesn't appear to be running the fans. But I think because we've opened the door, I think it locks the unit out because it was running and it's gone off. So we might have to wait a few minutes until we hear that kick back in, and then I've already had that plug loose, so it wasn't loose before. Then we can check if we've got power coming in to run the fans. But these, like a little shady pole mode, but they're a high speed one. They run at 2,800, twice as quick as the normal ones. And you can tell that usually because they've got a capacitor on them. And they tend to, I don't know whether the capacitor goes weak, but they quite often you find them where they're only running at half or quarter speed. But these feel cold, they don't even seem like they've been trying to work. I don't know, so we'll have to see. It might be one's packed up a while back and they've not noticed, and then the second one's gone. Anyway, we'll be in here for 5 minutes until it decides to run. And we've got this thing, which is it's a UV light. Oh, I think that's the one next door. We've got a chiller, another chiller next door. We've got 3 fridges in a row. This is I think it's a River Cold unit. I'll get back to you if it kicks in. One of them's working, but of course the second one's not going to work because some idiot's got it unplugged. So outside, it's flashing. What it does is when you open the door, it shuts the cooling off. It's probably off for 5 or 6 minutes, then it'll reset. I think the fans only run with the compressor, so I might see if we can adjust that so they're on continuous, because they probably, with meat you kind of want the airflow, so it sort of dries it out a bit on the outside, otherwise it all goes slimy. You want the humidity, right? You probably want it dry. Right, got the program in there. Fans, FCO is fans. Fans active with compressor off 0. That is 0. So they're off when the compressor's off. We want them on, which is 1. Set that to 1. Store it. If it was on 2, they're duty cycle, so they come on and off. There we go, so the fans kick in. They've had some power issues here lately, so power cuts and surges and things, so we're wondering if this has reprogrammed itself not to run the fans continuously, which is it's cold enough but it's buggered up the airflow. If you don't press anything for 15 seconds it comes out of programming. I might go through and just check them all, make sure they're not set on stupid things. Well, thought we'd check the condensers on there. So things have been 2 or 3 years and the 2 chillers are clean, but look at the state of this one. That's the freezer, which is probably, if you think about it, my freezer might do a lot of hours, you know, all year round it's working, whereas the chillers, winter time, it's as cold inside as it is out, so they don't run much. Get the brush on there. Trouble with these, you can't wash them out because they've got all the electrics underneath. But the good thing is you can run them with the cover off, which you can't do with when the ones have the condenser at the bottom and the fan at the top. So anyway, get that all cleaned off. Okay, I've got this little works hydro shop with a 90-degree end on it. It's got some airflow through there now. Keep an eye, I've got the screws to put back in. I'll put some spray grease on just to make them go in a bit easier. Okay, that's that one back together. We've done them too. It's a lot cleaner. That's running now, so it's getting airflow through there. You can see through, there's still a fair bit of water in there, but mostly clear.